Katanat pulih putih kala penmi ya kejing pendapat bagai University Grants Commission UGC kala ya kejing menjur ya kejing kerpat bat kumta kala sya ki college ya kejelam Meghalaya bat Nagaland pancem ke admission ne ban pediang kelas ki kena pulih ya kerukom ke bagi jule beros kata. Daga bapelat no iki na kejing pyntreikam ya ke CUET. Tang na kebenta ke snem pulih arajar arpusau arajar arpusan. Ha kabaydai begini kejing Pynbna Menteri Rangba kejelam Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulapan pau ya kejing kemen bagi Sorkar Pdeng kelap pediang ya kejing kerpat juga Sorkar jela. Bad ya kejing kerpat Shimet Jong ban pelat iki college ki bapeniasok bagi skul ba Nehu na ke CUET. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula ai kublai yu Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih ke Sorkar Pdeng udi Pradhan halor kejing pediang ya kejing kerpat ban pyntreikam ya ke CUET ha Meghalaya bat Nagaland. Bat ulapan paru ik jingkermen bahaga snem banwan ki babon ki college ki ben penesa ono bat ke state university kin don kam show ben le ya ke CUET.
I would like to take this opportunity to once again thank the Honorable Minister for Education, Government of India, Mr. Dharmendra Pradhanji, for accepting our request and my personal request to exempt the colleges affiliated to NEHU from the CUET exam. In the last many years also, the Government of India has exempted Meghalaya, and we're thankful that once again we requested, and on the basis of our request, the Government of India has exempted the state of Meghalaya and also the state of Nagaland, and this will go a long way in actually helping our students. And by next year, we are very, very hopeful that most of our colleges will be affiliated to our state university, and hence we would not require the exemptions from next year onwards. So once again, I take this opportunity to thank the Government of India for accepting our proposal and our request for exemption of the affiliated colleges from the CUET exam.
Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih kejelam Meghalaya urakam sangma ulong bahawa Menteri Rangba kejelau lesim kia ya kena kekam. Bat ke Sorkar Pdeng ban pelat kejelam Meghalaya na kejing pyntreikam ya ke CUET mentaka snem. Bat ke Sorkar jela kelayo pediang ya kejing tip ba anam pyntreikam ya ke CUET mentaka snem. Urakam sangma ulong bagi tu kisamla pulih ke belele ke eksamen CUET ke bio marks ke bahe kila ban dariwat kelas cabar kejela. Bat kumta ke CUET kadan kamna kebenta jengki batkan ajing mentoy yaki. Ule tu ru baha kesibaar kidong elam keseng VPP kilawan ya kendo ya kebedai bagi eksamen CUET. Bat udap da kejing lengo bantip bagi ni kidong elam ke VPP bagi dan bon ba kisamla pulih kejela ki bam syumlalet menele ya ke eksamen CUET.
Still be there because however it is exempted means those who have appeared, yes, they have appeared there. Those, because the good things from the CUET is those appear for the CUET and score the good marks, they can try for admission in higher education in other states of the country. So that's the good thing, and there's many both positive and negative things. So now for this year, consecutive for last 3 years, we have got the exemption from the NTA. But to my surprise, yesterday our friends from BPP just met me and discussed about this issue also, and we have listened to them and we have discussed with them together. And they have informed us that many did not registered for the CUET entrance examination. That make me surprised. I don't know how our students did not and could not be registered for CUET examination. But to me, I would like to inform everybody today. I'd like to request all the students and head of institutions across the state. Maybe for coming years, we may not have the enough justification reason to seek exemption again and again. For the colleges, especially affiliated to the central university. Therefore, our students, our institutions must be prepared, must be sensitized, must be given the awareness so that everybody should be aware and they should register for the CUET entrance examination. Those who are going to take admission in the institutions affiliated to the central university, and as well as those who are planning to go outside the state for higher education, number one. And number two, the good things is after appearing for the CUT examination, we can understand how much we have studied, what the result, how how we perform. We can also understand the performance of the students in our institution. But however, as a teacher profession before I joined politics, I would like to advise my young students: we should not fear. We should not fear appearing all such kind of entrance examination. We should try for experience. But to me, yes, for the Central University, CUT may be compulsory.
Ban chupan kan mau, hagini kita yo kebalaj, hagajing penlong ke eksamen CUET, ha Meghalaya, keladon ke kendrum kenram, kebalami ek skol ba nehu. Ha ka bagi kena kelas apa nab degi kenta bani otho ekne ke eksamen. Berkeru kompenya ru kam syamlalong ke bebiang, kebala penlong iki babon ki kenhun, bergi samla pulia bandawa nak Sorkar jela bagade bandawa kala nak Sorkar Pdeng. Ba omde ban pyntreikam ne ban penlong kongsan ke CUET mata ke snem ha Meghalaya. Nagaliang unong aikitian keseng NPP uba Himalaya Moktan Changpliang ulai kublai yu menteri rangba kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma bad yu menteri puli puti urakam Sangma bagi lasim kia bad ban pen ko ngo ke Sorkar Pdeng bad ke UGC ban pelat ya ke Meghalaya nak jing terekam ke CUET menta ke snem ulong bagi samla puli menta kila menit wat kelas hakino kino ki college klem dan kam ya ke CUET bad kini kolong ko kubor ke babha na ke benta ki samla puli ha ke jela